What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Here, back in the 06 Lexus. Finally got the car back after being under a car cover in the garage up in at the lake. I was looking at, I found some receipts for the car from the brake rotors, oil change, pads. Looks like $554. That was done back this summer. Found the timing belt receipt. Timing belt kit complete, which came with the water pump, antifreeze, miscellaneous shop stuff. $1,003.65. That was done sometime in August, I think. Oh, yeah, there. But anyway, I haven't seen this car in a couple of months, so let's do a, I think it's a cold start. Let's see. Yeah, it sure is. Stupid low tire light. It actually does have a tire that is slowly leaking oil. Leaking air. I thought forever it was just a bad sensor, but it actually does have a leaky tire. This car, the Goodyears on it, they are probably at least 10 years old, so they probably need replacement. But anyway, on with this cold start here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do that again, except I want to show you. I like what the headlights do. All right, I gotta open the door, wait for the headlights to go off. Lock the car. I guess I gotta wait for like the Twilight Sentinel. Put the key back in. Come on, come on, come on. Lights go out. There they go. I like when you start the car, watch the headlights as they adjust themselves. Isn't that cool? I love that. I think that is just so cool. All right, let's go for a little ride. God, it's been forever since I've driven this thing. Well, feels like forever. I guess it's just been a couple of months, but it feels like forever. Go for a little ride here. Still using the iPhone SE, and obviously it's throwing some, it senses it's getting a little dark outside because it is almost 6 o'clock, so we are at sunset. Someone commented on one of my last LS videos and asked what the triangle was for, and the triangle's for the low tire. So there. Yeah, need to get that tire pumped up. I'll probably take it this weekend and get that done. Guys, we have 94,246 miles. So we've rolled over 94,000. Still not bad. Not bad for an old 06. Never ceases to amaze me how good this car is. But all you guys know that. Yes, good strong brakes. Gotta love it. us a little pull out here on the 4-lane. Golly. I have forgotten how much power it has. Good Lord. Whew. Sounds like ripping velvet. She runs so good. Heck yeah, man. So strong. I got my little tube of touch-up paint that I need for touching up the hood. Since the front bumper was repainted when it was replaced, the rock, few little rock chips, I mean, the car doesn't have many, but the few little rock chips on the hood really stand out since getting the front bumper painted and replaced. So I got the crystal white, ordered it. It took forever to get here, but I need to grab a chair, sit down one of these warm afternoons. We've got some warm afternoons the rest this week here in Georgia, and touch up those rock chips, and I'll get a little video of that so we can see the fresh new face of this car. It's been a while. I missed it. But there you go for all my Lexus LS people. I mean, nothing other than just a few more miles. We definitely need probably to start thinking about a new set of tires. I mean, these still have plenty of tread on them, but they're just old. And, one or two of them's rather leaky. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I reply to all comments. Man, what a beautiful sunset out through there with the cell tower. Like, comment, subscribe. I read all comments, try to reply to everybody. I just appreciate you watching, and appreciate my long time subscribers and viewers. Y'all have a good night, and we'll see y'all next time.